In this video, we will take a closer look at the Filters feature of WebFOCUS Designer and review some of its latest enhancements. Let's start with filter enhancements in the author mode. Notice that the date filter controls received a new look. There are also updates to the number and nature of the presets that you can choose for your control. The current options allow you to select this or last and choose the appropriate period from the drop-down list. Your range can include such periods as day, week, month, quarter, and year. When selecting this, you can select the Include Entire Period checkbox to view the data for all days in a period. When selecting Last, you must choose both duration and period to create a valid date range. Select the Include Up to Current checkbox to view the data for all dates leading to the current date in a selected period. These presets allow you to choose a very granular date range. The date controls in the Assemble mode of WebFOCUS Designer mirror this behavior. Another enhancement to the filters in the author mode is the visual indicator of the excluded data. When creating filters for new content, you can choose to exclude data values from the list. In such cases, the Not Equal icon is added to the label to indicate that the selected values are excluded. When you add this item to a page in the Assemble mode of Designer, the same icon displays. Additionally, the same icon is visible in the list of parameters filters when you click the Info button, separating the filter with excluded values from other filters configured for this item. Once in the Assemble mode, you can take advantage of the following filter enhancements. You can multi-select filters in the Filters tab of the sidebar by holding the Ctrl or Shift key and add these filters to the filter panel. You can drag a filter directly onto the canvas. The grid container is automatically created to accommodate it. If you know the type of a control that you want to designate to your individual filter, right-click this filter, point to Add to Page As, and select a control. Some of the familiar features received an update. For example, it's now very easy to unchain filters in the Filters tab of the sidebar. Simply right-click a filter and then click Unchain Filter from Parent. To unchain all filters in a hierarchy, right-click the parent filter and click Unchain All Child Filters. Another usability improvement is implemented for the unused filters. If the unused filters are hidden in the Filters tab, through disabling the Show Unused Filters option, the account is displayed below the filter tree. Finally, when setting default values for date filters in the assembled pages, you can use all common date formats, or click the calendar icon and select the date through the calendar interface. To learn more, search for TIBCO WebFOCUS at docs.tibco.com.